Hey everyone, today we're going to be making some really simple spaghetti with meat sauce. Here's about 2.5 pounds of meat, or about 1 kilo of meat. Now you don't have to drain all of it, you can leave some in. That does add a little bit more of a meaty flavor to your sauce. And 1 jar of pasta sauce. And you can dump in your sauce, you can dump in any spices, you can add some garlic in if you would like. Once you're done, if you want a little bit more watery, you can go ahead and add some water in. If you like your sauce a little bit more thick, you can just go ahead and cover it up. And then set your pressure cooking timer for 15 minutes. And you're done. Once your timer has gone off, you can pressure release the lid, and now you have some nice meaty pasta